so we just got the back cover to do and the spine here. Okay, and because it's bulky, because we've done it as a monster book and you've got more dimension, you can have like a bulkier pocket. So you have this frame left already from when you cut out your central one for your inside cover, and I just edged round the edge with black pen. I didn't put it on black card, I just edged it around the edge, and I ran a bit of tape just down here just to hold,
turn towards me,
just to hold that spine side in place a bit, but I'll probably just push that corner in just a little bit. So I'm going to stick this down onto here. And I cut that frame exactly the same way as I did for the weaving page.
And the front cover.
Yeah, and the front cover. So I'll just stand up here. Okay, so. Don't worry about that bit of tape showing over there because you won't see that. Okay, so that's that there. So then your construction, all the instructions are in the PDF to make your little pocket that's going to fit there and there, like that. So we're just going to make this up. Little bits of tape. Can you see that, Kay, both sides?
Yeah. Do you want
I'm going to sit down actually, I think now.
Okay, I'm going to zoom in a turn.
So I'm just going to stick that onto there, and probably if you've got something with a little bit of, let's try our bone fold logic. Okay, just to get it flat there, pop that one there before you stick it down, just so you've got a bit of something behind to support it.
Make sure it's all
straight.
Straight, square.
Okay, so it's nice and...
I can't see that in front, towards me, because that's it, because I zoomed in. That's it. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Yeah,
right,
I'll zoom back out
okay.
again now.
So now I'm going to just straighten that up, and then this is going to be stuck
Towards me a tad, please. That's it. Maybe a little bit more.
onto here, like that. I'm just going to make sure these are nice and straight. You could use your alignment guides if you wanted to get this straight.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't stick your glue bottle
onto your tape.
onto your tape. Okay, so trying to get it roughly equidistant both sides. Once I've stuck it, I'd go back in and you can run your bone folder down because you want the sides straight. That's it. Okay. And then your top is going to fit it's alright, it's just looking a bit, that's why I haven't stuck it down firmly, because you not straight at the top, is it? That's better. But that's wonky at the bottom then. Okay, right, let's take that off. You can decide how far down you want to go with this. You don't have to have it all the way down.
It's probably up towards me a bit. I can see the grey board.
Can you see it now?
No. But this bit isn't quite straight. That's it.
So it is once the hinge is here.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's
better?
it. That's okay. That's fine.
No, it's crooked. Yeah, it's because you've got the hinge as well. You forget about that, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, that's it. Can't see any grey board there?
Nope.
Okay, right. Okay, so that's there. So this bit here, you can see looks very wonky at the moment, okay? Yeah, it's still wonky. That's better. That's it. Okay, right, so you're going to stick your... This is going inside. Okay, so now stick that in there. That's it, that's better. Okay. And if you want to run your black line down there, do that afterwards once it's dry. Okay. So that's on there. So I'm just going to take this off, it's getting in the way. So for my top here, I'll be using my dumbbell die as a little handle.
That's cute.
And you see, and I haven't stretched it out completely. I've given it enough give so that I can pull that up. And then it's just got 2 brads attached through, and I've just put a bit of extra tape just to stick them on to there like that. And I did use my trusty alignment piece of card for that. Okay, so that's that there. So we'll take another. Yeah, this album does use quite a lot of magnets.
It does, doesn't it?
I'll probably stick the magnet on before I stick my dumbbell on, just so it's well in place.
Your top bit needs some
Yeah,
burnishing.
burnishing that one still.
No, the corners.
There.
No, there.
There.
No, these bits here.
These bits?
Yes, those bits. On both sides.
Oh, the front corners, yes. Okay, right, so that's there. Okay, so then this one's going to go in there. Now I've got a black strip there. You could, if you wanted to, cut a little tiny, I think it'd probably be 1/8 of an inch strip to go across there.
Can do it.
Or soon. You will be able to.
Oh! Yeah, I think we've given the game away now.
I think we have, but never mind. I will go in and burnish these then. Okay, so that's there like that. So on here, we've got this one that's going to go in there. You could stick all this before you actually assembled your pocket, so you'd have it really flat.
That's a good idea. But you need to put your magnet on there, don't you?
Yes, you do. That's good thinking, Kay. Okay, so then you've got this one. It's going to go. Let's just take the bits of glue off. a little bit from the sticker sheet again. And again, I mounted it on black card and then just fussy cut it. There's a bit of glue on there. Take that off. Okay, and then you've just got your spine to finish here. So, yeah, we can stick that on there. And I think, yeah, it's on the outside edge, so we'll stick that nearer to there. And then we've got those on the outside edge, so we'll stick this one on. And don't forget, if you're cutting your paper for your spine here, to double check the measurements, because you've been cutting 7 7/8 all the time for your pages.
Right.
And obviously this is longer than 7 7/8.
Right, okay.
It's got artist tack on, but because it's going on to architape, I'm going to put some PVA on as well.
Can you speed up, because we're running out of battery?
Oh yes, okay. Right, I'm doing my best.
You've got 2 minutes.
2 minutes, God blimey, Kate, it's like being on Ho Chanda.
Well, you just told me I had 15 about 2 seconds ago. It's now
I
gone
know,
down,
that's
jumped
what
down.
it did to me. Okay, so that's that there. That's that there. And page tabs to go inside your pages. You can do like a little, use your tabs and do a double-sided magnetic thing that sticks.
Nice and simple. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.